Okay, Sealmate fork seal cleaner. You put that in around your seal, your upper seal. You take this dust ring down, and it's really nothing more than really thin plastic. You could make one out of a container or whatever. I mean, it's got this grooved edge, and then you got this knifed edge. So I cleaned up around it, and it really wasn't dirty, but I had a little bit of seepage. It's ever so slight. So we're gonna stick this in and then go around and see what happens here. Okay, I think we're in. Going around, and then down. So, lost that little bit of oil right there. Just ever so slight. That's just brake cleaner on the ground because I sprayed the shit out of it. So, there might be a little bit of crud right there, maybe. All right, we'll try that. See if that works, and then I'll let everybody know. Alrighty, that's it on the old Sealmate. You can get them on eBay. Everybody, so I mean eBay, Amazon. You go to this www.sealmate.net right there. So. But yeah, I'm using it on it's a 2007 KLX 300R, and I'll go over some more stuff on this bike. I've done a lot of stuff to it. But alrighty, thank you.